Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by verifying essentials. Make sure your Pixel 9 is updated and online, and you have the carrier's Esim QR or activation code. Once ready, unlock the phone and open Settings, then tap Network and Internet. Next, select SIMs or Mobile Network. This is where you add a new Esim profile. Do this now. It's faster than troubleshooting later. If your carrier sent an SMDP plus address or activation code, keep it visible on another device so you can enter it when prompted. Now you'll add the Esim profile. Tap Add Carrier and choose Scan QR Code or enter details manually. If scanning, hold the QR steady until it registers. If manual, type the SMDP plus address and activation code exactly. Errors block activation. Once accepted, the phone will download the profile. Make sure Wi-Fi is stable. After download, assign a label and set whether this line handles calls, texts, or data. This step configures how your Pixel prioritizes networks, so think about finish by restarting the Pixel, then enable the new Esim in SIM settings and test a call and mobile data. If the line doesn't register, make sure the activation code was entered correctly, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds, and retry scanning the QR. Once done, verify voicemail and SMS. If problems persist, contact your carrier with the phone's IMEI and the Esim profile ID so they can trigger activation from their system. That usually resolves remaining issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.